Quite a bit of it, I suppose.
Yeah, it looks like more rain and thunderstorms this afternoon and evening, maybe even a few severe storms, guys. We're going to have to watch that, but we desperately need the rainfall.
Yeah,
Unfortunately, in some spots, it could come down a little bit heavy. Could have some flooding issues out there through the day as well. Let's first of all show you what's going on out there. Most of the heavier rain right now, southeast Oklahoma, around McAllister, over toward the Fort Smith area. We're also seeing some scattered activity that's developed from areas of southern Okmulgee County, extending back towards Norman and Oklahoma City. And then off to the north, we actually are seeing one of the stronger thunderstorms now moving across northeastern sections of Osage County, moving into northern areas of Washington County. Let's go into that storm a little bit closer. And again, this is right around the Bartlesville area. And this storm's moving off to the east and east-northeast at about 20 to 25 miles per hour, moving in on Caney, Kansas, just to the west of Copan and the west of Dewey. And it's going to produce some heavy amounts of rain, a little bit of lightning for a brief period of time. And then behind that, just some scattered light rains all the way back toward north-central areas of Osage County. That'll continue to work off to the east and northeast as we move through the early afternoon hours. Things are pretty quiet right now here in the Tulsa area, but as we move through the afternoon, we're going to watch for the potential for a few strong to isolated severe storms. We do have a marginal risk for severe weather, generally along I-44 all the way from Veneta and Tulsa back through the Oklahoma City metro area. And this is going to be the area we're going to see the highest risk of seeing the potential for one or two severe storms. We'll be keeping an eye on radar for you as we move on through the afternoon. Any thunderstorms that would become strong to severe, here's the main threats. Mainly it's going to be wind and hail. That's going to be the main threats. Strong gusty winds, could see some large hail, maybe up to quarter size. Flooding is going to be a concern in any locations, especially since some spots have seen some heavy amounts of rain over the last couple of days. Tornado threat, it is very low. It is not zero, though. We do have a very small chance of an isolated tornado or two through the afternoon, so we're going to keep an eye on this, but mainly wind is going to be the main threat. With the heavy amounts of rain possible over the next 24 hours, future track rainfall showing you some spots could pick up between 1 and 3 inches of additional rainfall, especially along and to the northwest of I-44. So anywhere from around Veneta, Nowata through Bartlesville and Tulsa back towards Stillwater, that looks to be the area where we're going to see the highest opportunity for heavy amounts of rain here over the next 24 hours. So because of that, we still have the flash flood watch in effect for all of eastern Oklahoma. It runs through tomorrow evening as we expect more rain and thunderstorms not only this afternoon and evening, but also overnight into at least the first half of the day tomorrow before we finally see the rain and thunderstorm activity slowly start to wind down. And we desperately need the rainfall. So far for the month, officially, we picked up about 1.2 inches of rainfall. For the year, about 19 inches of rain. And the average through today approaching 26 inches. So you notice that surplus, or excuse me, that deficit at about 6.8 inches of rainfall. So we desperately need some rainfall. Hopefully, though, it doesn't come in the form of significant flooding. As we take a look at Air Comfort Solutions Renaissance Hotel Cam, cloudy skies, 79 degrees, and that south wind currently at 9 miles per hour. And temperatures will slowly inch on up as we move through the afternoon hours. We're at 79 in Bartlesville and Coffeyville, up to 80 now in Stillwater. A little cooler down in the Stigler area at 70 degrees and 68 currently in Poto. This afternoon, temperatures will top out low to mid 80s, but as more showers and storms push through the area, we will see those temperatures start to drop off. Overnight tonight, generally upper 60s and lower 70s, around 71 the overnight low here in the Tulsa area. So that chance of rain through the afternoon and evening at 70%. We'll see a 70% chance of more rain and storms overnight tonight, 50% chance tomorrow, especially during the morning. It'll wind down a bit as we move through the afternoon hours. Looks like we'll stay dry on Thursday, but another round of rain and storms comes in Friday over the weekend. So it looks like a fairly wet pattern across the area. And if we do see any significant severe weather or any types of tornado warnings or anything during the afternoon, you guys, you can always catch us on our new iHeart radio stations.
Right.
They'll be simulcasting if we have any kind of activity like that. Hopefully we'll keep most of it, though, below severe limits.
Good.
Yes.
Thanks, Tab.
You got it.
Well, we've seen bears in a lot of places, pools, homes, inside vehicles, but a bear in Connecticut is taking a different approach to